Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm here with my buddy ReeceePeecee, and we're going to be changing out my wife's cabin air filter in her 2025 Ford Explorer. It's going to be the same process for 2020 to 2026. So let's get started. I went ahead and went with the Pure Flow HEPA cabin air filter. This one just has a little bit more filtration technology in it. I will leave a link to the Motorcraft, to the OEM part as well. But I'm going to check these out and see how they do. Alright, come in here and I just open the glove box up. Right here on this side. There's going to be this little damper, and you're just going to push that up. It's going to click, pull it out of that hole, and just move it out of the way. Over here there's going to be a latch, and a latch on this side as well. Push them in, and then the whole glove box will release. Alright, so there's going to be a screw on this side, and there's going to be a screw on this side right here. Go ahead and remove them. Just when you remove them, be careful not to drop them down inside the compartment. Make sure you grab your screw so it doesn't fall down in there. Alright, once you get the two screws out, there's going to be a clip on this side and another clip on this side. You're just going to push them away like that. And you're going to pull this down at the same time. And that'll just come off there like that. And then there's your cabin air filter. Go ahead and pull it out. Alright, so here's the old filter. As you can see, there's quite a bit of pollen and stuff in there. And here's the new one with the HEPA filter on it. So we're going to go ahead and put this one in. Alright, so when we're reinstalling the new air filter, just make sure you reinstall it with the arrows facing down. Just get it lined up and then just push it in. Yeah, and then put your cover back on. And just snap it back into place. You'll hear it click. Take your two screws and put them back in. Next, we're just going to push the glove box back up into place so you hear it click. Take your damper, put it back in the hole, and then push it down till it clicks. And close your glove box, and you're good to go. Alright, well that's how you change the cabin air filter on a 2025 Ford Explorer. If you found the video helpful, feel free to give it a thumbs up. What is it called?
Reece-K14.
Okay. If you want to support my son, go to his YouTube channel and show him a little bit of love. He just started his online content creation journey.
And help me get to 1,000 subscribers this summer.
And as always, thanks for watching. Alright, we're done.
I've sweat all over me.
We're done, man.
Dang!